Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Camry tail light bulb. First, ensure your vehicle's engine is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Next, open your trunk and find the carpet liner located behind the tail light assembly. You will need to remove any plastic retaining clips or cargo hooks that hold this liner in place. A trim tool or a small flathead screwdriver can help with this. Once the fasteners are out, carefully pull back the trunk liner to reveal the bulb sockets. Now that you have access, identify the specific socket for the tail light bulb you need to replace. There are typically several bulbs, so consult your owner's manual if unsure. Once identified, gently rotate the bulb socket about 1/4 turn counterclockwise. This will unlock it from the tail light housing. Carefully pull the entire socket assembly straight out. Then, firmly grasp the old bulb and pull it directly out of the socket. It should slide out with moderate effort. Before installing, confirm your new bulb is the correct type, like a 7443 dual filament bulb. It is crucial to avoid touching the new bulb's glass with your bare fingers, as oils can create hot spots and shorten its lifespan. If you accidentally touch it, wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth. Gently push the new bulb straight into the socket until it is fully seated. Then, carefully insert the socket with the new bulb back into the tail light housing. To secure the new bulb, rotate the socket clockwise until it locks firmly into place within the tail light assembly. Next, carefully reattach the trunk liner, ensuring it is tucked properly, and replace all the plastic clips and cargo hooks you removed earlier. Turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new bulb is functioning correctly. For optimal performance and balanced illumination, it is often recommended to replace both tail light bulbs at the same time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.